rain is so peaceful today.
This tea is wonderful.
And the sweets are great. I'm so glad. Whee! Look at the big splash!
Whoa, easy there, buddy.
I'm a puddle monster!
The best one.
The rain is so peaceful, isn't it?
Yes, Mommy, it's like a song.
It is. Let's keep walking. What a lovely day for the market.
Fresh greens today.
They look wonderful, thank you. I'm drawing a big tree.
I'll add some flowers.
Wow, they look nice.
Thanks.
These are delicious.
I'm so glad we made extra.
More for me. Yummy. Here, try this.
Wow, thank you. It's so good. They're having so much fun out there.
Yeah, they really are.
Keep running, sweeties.
Wow, look at that lightning.
It's so bright and cool.
But we're safe and cozy here.
Yeah.
This is so yummy.
Can I have some more?
Of course, sweetie.
Me too.
Thank you.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, little children want to play.